I'm a big fan of matcha green tea. I drink it on a daily basis, and you know what? You can also add matcha into your food. If you have not heard or tried matcha, seriously, you're missing out. Matcha is the highest quality powdered green tea. It is stored away from light and oxygen in order to preserve its bright, vivid green color and also antioxidant properties. It has been consumed for over thousands of years in the Far East, but now it is a big hype among the fitness community. So matcha is essentially finely powdered green tea which is mixed into water and consumed whole. Unlike regular green tea, when you consume matcha, you're consuming the entire crushed tea leaf instead of just leaf-infused water. So hear this guys, when you consume 1 cup of matcha green tea, you're getting the benefits of 10 cups of regular green tea. So some of the known benefits include its high antioxidant properties. It has 5 times more antioxidants than goji berries. It also helps to remove toxins from the body. It has a calming effect and it will help to keep you looking young. Guys, I hope I've convinced you to consume matcha. So here are 4 really simple and healthy matcha breakfast recipes. Let's start with matcha oatmeal pancakes. What you'll need are 1 cup of oat flour, 1 cup of any milk of your choice, 1 large banana, 1 part of chia mixture, which is a combination of 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to 3 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of matcha powder, half a tablespoon of maple syrup, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Roughly mash the banana in a bowl. Then add in the milk, chia seed mixture, and maple syrup. Mix until well combined. Then add in the dry ingredients, oat flour, matcha, and baking soda. Keep mixing until you get a consistent batter. Scoop about 1/4 cup of the batter and cook on a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once your pancake starts to bubble, flip it and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Don't press the pancakes, alright? You want to keep them nice and fluffy. So I got a little too excited and decided to build a huge stack of pancakes. I layered mine with sliced bananas, top it up with Greek yogurt and strawberry, drizzled with a little bit of maple syrup, and dust it off with more matcha. Just look at this epic breakfast. Each pancake has about 56 calories, so the combination of oats and bananas will keep you full. Make this breakfast and be sure to share it, alright? The next recipe is matcha coconut granola. So what I've used are 1 tablespoon of matcha powder, 1 cup of rolled oats, half a cup of mixed nuts and seeds. I've used macadamias, sunflower seeds, and cashew nuts. Half a cup of mixed dried fruits. I've used goji berries and cranberries. 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and a pinch of salt. Preheat the oven to 150 degrees Celsius. In a baking tray, stir in the rolled oats, mixed nuts and seeds, desiccated coconut, matcha, and a pinch of salt. Mix all the ingredients together. Then stir in the wet ingredients, maple syrup, and coconut oil. Mix until all the ingredients are evenly coated. Transfer the mixture onto a lined baking tray and spread it out evenly. Bake in the oven for a total of 30 minutes. Notice that we haven't added the dried fruits because we don't want them to burn. So when it's about 20 minutes, mix in the dried fruits and gently flip the granola. Bake for the remaining 10 minutes. Remove and allow it to cool down. You can choose to dust it off with more matcha powder and transfer into an airtight jar. So each 1/4 cup serving has about 130 calories. This granola can be served over milk or yogurt. You can have it on its own or top it up onto chia pudding, which is my next recipe, matcha chia pudding. What you'll need are 1/4 cup of chia seeds, 3/4 cup of any milk of your choice, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup or honey, 2 teaspoons of matcha green tea, and 2 small jars. This recipe is really simple. Simply combine chia seeds, milk, maple syrup, and matcha powder. Stir well. Divide equally into 2 small jars. Cover and allow it to set overnight in the fridge. The next morning, it'll expand into a pudding-like texture. I've topped mine up with some homemade granola. So each jar topped with 1/4 cup of granola has about 323 calories. So what I love about this recipe is that it's really convenient. On a busy day, I can just grab a jar and have it on the go. So prep ahead and it will keep well in the fridge for up to 4 days. The final recipe is perfect as a snack. No-bake matcha macarons. What you'll need are 1/2 cup of desiccated coconut, 1 tablespoon of matcha powder, 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Mix together all the dry ingredients: desiccated coconut, sesame seeds, matcha, and a pinch of salt. Combine well. Then stir in the wet ingredients: coconut oil, maple syrup, peanut butter, and vanilla extract. Combine until it forms a consistent paste. Take about 1 tablespoon of the mixture and roll into a ball. Don't worry if they don't look perfect. This will make about 9 to 12 balls. And dust it off with more matcha. Allow the macarons to set in the fridge for about 1 hour or until solid. I've dusted mine with more desiccated coconut. This ball is packed with nutrients and it will give you energy to power you through your day. So each ball has about 100 calories. You can have 2 to 3 balls for breakfast or as a healthy snack. Here are a few really important tips when it comes to consuming matcha. So you want to consume between 1/2 teaspoon to 2 teaspoons a day. Although matcha is low in caffeine, it still has caffeine. So you want to avoid consuming matcha in the evening. And you want to only consume matcha with either water or low-protein milk. So never consume matcha with dairy milk because it will only destroy all the benefits and nutrients. Good quality matcha is bright, vivid green and has a fine powdery texture. Avoid anything that is yellow in color or coarse, it won't taste good. And typically, good quality matcha comes from Japan. Remember all these tips. So be sure to try all these recipes, make them for breakfast and let me know which is your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to tag me at Joanna Soh Official and hashtag JSohRecipes. Like this video, share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more healthy recipes, workout videos and also fitness tips. Do also turn on your notification button so that you will get notified every time I share a new video. All the best!